I am not special to anyone. Anything that I will do and share with you here in this journey is you can learn it and apply it. So passive income can be a great way to help you generate extra cash online. So in 2016, this is when I started to make passive income. You just need to put work in the beginning, and with the COVID-19 pandemic, this is good evidence to value different streams of passive income. The beauty of this, even if you are no longer promoting it in the long run, like this one from Click Magic, I am no longer using this tool for almost, I think, 8 to 10 years now. But still, it continues to generate money for me, even though I'm not using and promoting this anymore. So I know it may seem daunting to build a passive income stream. The key is just to start. Like for example, this year, I decided to create passive income from Etsy. So when you add up all these amounts, passive income can translate to lifelong success. And eventually, you will gain enough momentum where your passive income will start paying for significant expenses such as food, rental, or even big purchases. So making passive income is doable, provided that you know how to set up your business framework the right way, okay, from the very start to save time, energy, and money. This is a life skill that no one can take away from you, for money to become the byproduct of what you love doing. So if you want to break through to make passive income, I will walk you through to my 4 steps, okay? My ultimate strategies to break through for money to become the byproduct of what you do. So build, be in control, and automate to design your future. So join me now, absolutely for free.